Hey everybody, Evan with the Grainiac here. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make dehydrator fruit. So I sliced up these strawberries really thin and I mixed them up with a little bit of honey and a few squirts of lemon juice, and it makes them more like a fruit roll up and it doesn't dry them out like they're in a cereal. So that's a good tip I have for you. Spread them out evenly, put them in the trays. When you put the dehydrator together, you want it on 135. And for the strawberries, it took about 4 or 5 hours. For the apples, they're a lot thicker. Those could honestly go overnight. Same thing, a little bit of honey, some lemon juice, and then they won't dry out all the way, or they won't seem like they will. And then I vacuum seal them. But here's the trays going on. And this is my first time doing the fruit, so I thought they turned out pretty well. I brought them on a camping trip, and I was really surprised at how they tasted like a fruit roll-up when I was eating them. Everybody enjoyed them. And then halfway in between, I rotated the trays, top to bottom, and then this is finished product. And these are completely done. They're dried out, but they're still a little flimsy, like I said, and the apples had a ways to go yet because they're cut more into cubes. I bought them that way. And here's the vacuum seal. So yeah, using a dehydrator has been a lot of fun. I can do a lot with it, meats, vegetables. Hope to try out some more fun things, and I'll let you all know. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.